In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up remarketing list sharing in Google Ads. This process will allow you to create a targeted approach for reaching out to potential customers who have previously interacted with your brand. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to enhance your advertising strategy through effective remarketing. Now let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub for all things related to your Google advertising efforts, ensuring you're starting off on the right foot. Once there, look for the sign in button and click it. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you have any trouble signing in, make sure you're using the right email address associated with your Google Ads account and check for any password errors. Upon successfully logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads home interface. This is essentially your control center where you can manage all aspects of your campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, at the top of the page, you'll find a menu labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on this menu. The Tools section houses all the resources you'll need for managing your Google Ads campaigns. Within the Tools menu, look for the Shared Library option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a section that facilitates collaboration and resource sharing among your marketing teams. This feature is particularly useful when managing multiple campaigns or working with varied teams. Next, navigate to Audience Manager, which can be found within the Shared Library. Audience Manager is where you'll control and segment your audience lists, allowing you to tailor your advertising efforts more precisely. In the Audience Manager, you'll find a variety of options. Look for and click on Create Remarketing List. This step is crucial as it's where your remarketing begins. After selecting to create a new remarketing list, you'll need to choose Customer List from the options provided. The Customer List allows you to upload customer information such as email addresses to target ads. This step connects your audience data directly with your advertising strategy, ensuring that your ads are being placed directly in front of individuals who are already familiar with your brand. And that's it, you've successfully set up remarketing list sharing in Google Ads. By following these steps, you can now efficiently re-engage past visitors and drive more conversions, leveraging the power of remarketing to grow your business. Remember, remarketing is about strategic planning and continuous refinement, so keep learning and optimizing your lists for the best results. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Google Ads tips and tricks.